Hey everybody, Joshy Cox here. I do a little bit of Instacart shopping from time to time and delivery. So where I'm at right now is giant food store, Ritz Crackers. Well, it's good to read the food labels. Contains a bioengineered food ingredient. It doesn't tell you what that ingredient is. Ritz Crackers. Well, parents, this is a bit disturbing. What kid doesn't love Go-Gurt? Go play. Go-Gurt. Ingredients derived from a bioengineered source. What else does that say? Learn more at ask.generalmills.com. The leading owners of General Mills is the Rockefeller family. Go figure. Now these were one of my all-time favorites until just recently. This isn't even something that's manufactured. Made right here at Giant. And what's that say? Contains a bioengineered ingredient. M&M's. Contains bioengineered food ingredients. Do you folks realize M&M's actually is made with bioengineered food products?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Isn't that lovely? What's something else that kids absolutely love? Cereal, of course. There always has to be Lucky Charms. And who makes that? General Mills, which we just talked about them earlier. And sure enough, contains bioengineered food ingredients. Learn more at ask.generalmills.com. I'm beginning to see a pattern for targeting young people. I've never known any young person to not love Swedish fish. Contains a bioengineered food ingredient. A generational leader in dessert snacks, Jell-O. And Jell-O contains phenylalanine. Phenylalanine, the L isomer, is actually used to biochemically form proteins coded for by DNA. Phenylalanine is a precursor of tyrosine, the monoamide neurotransmitters such as dopamine, in addition to norepinephrine, as well as epinephrine, which are forms of adrenaline, and the biological pigment melanin. It's encoded by the messenger RNA codes UUU and UUC, messenger RNA protein code. Where have we heard these sequences before? Oh, wait. The COVID-19 vaccinations. So the moral of the story is, for one, we can see that they're really specifically targeting a certain age group, and that would be children. They've already poisoned their mind with indoctrination. They poisoned our water supply for years with fluoride, and now you can see for yourself, they're trying to poison our food. And by doing that, they can poison our bodies, and that can also poison the mind, as you saw with Jell-O with all of the forms of adrenaline. I'm Joshy Cox, Uncensored.